Buffer solutions. It is sometimes necessary that a solution of definite pH be prepared and stored. The more preservation of such a solution is even more difficult than its preparation. यानी इट मीन्स उनको रखना उनकी प्रिपरेशन मेथड से भी डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है. लाइक इफ़ द सॉल्यूशन कम्स इन कांटेक्ट विद एयर, it will absorb some CO2, and we know that CO2 is an acidic anhydride and becomes more acidic, and the solution becomes more acidic. If the solution is stored in a glass bottle, if we use second method, that if the solution is stored in a glass bottle, the alkaline impurities present in glass may dissolve in the solution and may alter its pH, means it can change its pH. So a buffer solution is defined as a solution which resists any change in its pH, that is, whose pH remains practically constant even when small amounts of the acids or the bases are added to it. This is the called buffer solution. Types of buffer solution. There are two types of buffer solution. These are: first, solution of single substances. The solution of salts of weak acid and a weak base, that is ammonium acetate CH3COONH4, acts as a buffer. Second type of buffer solution is solution of a mixture. These are further of two types. First, acidic buffer. Acidic buffer, it is the solution of a mixture of a weak acid and a salt of this weak acid with a strong base. Example, that is CH3COOH plus CH3COONA. CH3COOH weak acid and CH3COONA, that is a salt which is made by CH3COOH plus NaOH. CH3COOH is a weak acid and NaOH is a strong base. B part means second part of solution of mixture, basic buffer. What is basic buffer? If the solution of a mixture, it is the reverse of acidic buffer. If the solution of a mixture of a weak base and a salt of weak base with a strong acid, just reverse of acidic buffer. Example, that is NH4OH plus NH4Cl. We know that NH4H is a weak base and a salt NH4Cl is made by NH4OH plus HCl. NH4H is weak base and HCl is strong acid. That is called basic buffer. Now we discuss about buffer action. What is buffer action? The property of a buffer solution to resist any change in its pH value even when the small amount of weak acid, small amount of, not just weak acid, small amount of acid or base are added to it, is called buffer action. It is similar to buffer solution. Okay.